You should. Oh, this one's begging now. She wants a treat.
Yeah, he wants.
This one too.
They had dry food today, this morning.
You taught them how to beg.
Well, they do it naturally.
Yep. Good thing the puppies aren't out here.
Yeah.
They'd want something for free too.
Yesterday I went to the China buffet.
Which one?
The one on 615 and 382. 283.
Is that Menor?
Yeah. The one we went to. Remember that?
Oh, that little one. Yeah, that's pretty good. How much was it?
Well, it's 5 something for lunch, and it's 8 something for dinner.
Oh, that's pretty cheap.
Yeah, it is, and they're doing that purposely to get people to come in.
But you think their meat is real? What kind of meat are they actually
Their
using?
meat's real.
Like, could it?
I brought home some roast beef.
You sure it's roast beef? Could it be like a cat or
Oh,
something?
it's roast beef.
Yeah.
And I brought home some for Danny and Snowflake. And man, they just went to town on it.
Are you allowed to take that meat home with you?
No, you're not.
Oh,
So I snuck it out
where'd you put it?
in a napkin in my jacket.
Oh, that's pretty sneaky.
They just throw it out.
Yeah, there was a lot of people at the store today. I think they're spending all their money they got from Biden. You know, everyone got their free paychecks from Biden, stimulus. He keeps on giving everybody free money.
Well, they're talking about a 4th and a 5th one now.
Yeah, they're even giving illegal immigrants free checks as soon as they get over. Here's your free money. Get going.
Give them a head start.
They're help.
That's not bad.
They're helping everybody. But what do you think happens to our money if they keep on doing that kind of stuff?
We're so far into debt now that
It don't matter.
It don't really matter.
So just keep going.
Yeah, just keep digging a hole.
What's going to happen in the end? What will happen to our money?
The economy is going to go.
So it don't matter how much money you have. You're not going to get nothing for it.
Benny, I haven't got any canned food. I gave them their last can yesterday.
Oh. You got any Twinkies to give her?
Yeah, I got some Twinkies. I'll give them some. But they eat oatmeal sandwiches too.
Oh, I love those. They're so sweet. That cream in the middle.
Uh-huh.
That's pure sugar. You ever eat one of those?
Oh yeah.
That's just.
I got some over there. Rob.
You might as well just suck down a bag of sugar. You eat one of those.
I try to find peanut butter, and you can hardly ever find peanut butter for some reason.
Wow.
There's no peanut butter cookies in Aldi's, and there's hardly any peanut butter cookies at Save-A-Lot.
You know why? Because all these guys are buying those cookies for their dogs to eat, probably.
They don't carry them.
Period. Oh, they're sold out on them. I hear the ducks. They in the back room?
No.
Oh, they must be downstairs.
Well, you can hear them from outside.
They're pretty loud.
Yeah, they're really loud.
Are they gonna have enough room in there?
Well, I'm going to have to enclose an area outside for them.
Yeah.
They're just getting too big.
Yeah. You got any fencing for that?
I've got a little bit left.
Yeah. That'd be nice.
Well, I've got 22 baby ducks, and I'm definitely going to have to do something.
Oh yeah, you will, especially when they start laying eggs and they hatch. You know how many you'll have? Hundreds.
I don't know.
Could be.
Well, I know a chicken lays about 300 eggs a year.
That'd be, even if like half of them hatch, you'd have 150 new chickens every year from one chicken.
Yeah.
What if they all lay eggs and all half of them hatch? You'll have 1,000 chickens.
That's in puppies.
Oh, they're fighting. I hear them. Man, they fight pretty good. So like, "Arr."
Oh, they really have some knockout fights, man, for puppies.
Wow. So what do you think's going to happen in this world right now? Think the aliens are going to come down,
Yeah, they're going to come down and straighten up the world.
They're going to save us?
Yeah.
Somebody has to.
Now, I was watching Alien thing last night, and now the thing is that they're saying they're all walking around with the rest of us, and they can cloak themselves to humans.
Yeah, like I could be an alien right now.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know it.
We're all alienated.
Yeah. They got to be somewhere, you know. They're just hard to see because they're tricky. You know, there's 11 dimensions, and we only know about 4 of them. So where's all these other ones? That's where the aliens are. That's where they're hiding. They could be under sea too, way deep under.
Oh.
They could be in the Antarctic. You know.
Yeah.
They could
go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
My way. Getting to be me.
Yeah.
See something flying, Danny?
Oh.
I could hear his tail hitting the floor from down there.
It is pretty loud.
Well, I kind of told him to do that.
What, to like let you know you're down there?
No, he hit the floor with his tail.
What, like a signal to you, so you know he's around?
No, it's just something I got him doing.
Why'd you teach him that? Just because you wanted to?
Because it was cute.
Oh, okay.
Hit that floor, Danny. Hit that floor.
He does listen pretty good. Oh, he's going after something right now.
Danny.
Looked like it was something running, like a mole or something.
Well, there's a mouse in here. I haven't seen him.
Maybe Danny could get after him.
Danny.
He's going under there after him. He sees him running around. One of these dogs will get him. They'll kill him.
Yeah.
He's
The
gone.
only thing is, I'm afraid they'll eat him.
Well, that's all right. It's just to be a snack for them. You know what I mean? Oh, for sure he ain't coming out now.
I don't want him to. You leave that mouse alone. You hear me?
She's
shake your head. See how dirty he got?
Yeah. Little dirt hound.
He was pure white. No dirt on him at all this morning.
You gonna give him a bath?
I have to do something.
Just hose his ass off. He's got some dirt on the front too, right there.
Oh, he's got it all over him. He's got it underneath him. Danny's the only one that didn't get out there and do that.
Danny was the good one. That's why sometimes I don't even go to the dog park. When I used to have that black dog, I wouldn't go if it's too muddy. You know?
Yeah.
Where's the puppies? In their room?
They're in the mudroom.
Yeah. Sounds like they're pretty quiet right now.
Yeah, well, they played pretty hard. Another thing, they're filthy. Man, you wouldn't believe it. They're covered from head to toe with mud and dirt.
Oh. What are you doing tomorrow?
Probably cleaning.
Cleaning? Yeah.
You want some water, Danny? When he goes over there, he wants water.
Why didn't the Indians' guns work against the masked man?
He told me why. After he and Tonto found the rifles, they made the ammunition useless by removing the powder.
So that's it. And the Indians thought it was quite
He said he removed all the powder out of the ammunition.
Generalship.
I'd love to pay
Not
that
the firing
for
pin.
it, Colonel. Do you think you
Wouldn't
could
that be a
do it?
lot of work to take all the powder out of the ammunition?
Yeah.
You'd have to open every bullet up, take all the powder out.
I think they said firing pin the last time.
Well, this time they said powder. Yeah, you're gonna cry now with that onion. It's gonna make your eyes all hot, won't it?
To see if you can qualify, just tell us the make and model and get an instant quote right over the phone and get coverage today. If your automobile was made
It's a big one.
1999 and now all repairs for your engine, transmission, and much more can become a thing of the past. Call Protect My Car at 800-484.
Oh, nice and toasted.
Moreover, this is only the beginning. I fully intend to keep seeking out such abuses of power.
Are we gonna get some tongs or something?
Get the what?
Tongs?
Let's hear from the tumbling traffic cops. Okay, now it's time for some music. A little rap music. Yes, Doctor into rap too. At least these two guys are.
Like and subscribe. I need 1,000 subscriptions for to live stream. I still won't make any money, but I don't care about that. I'm out here sitting in my car because we have no electricity in the house, and all I have is a cell phone.